Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Boom. And today, guys, we're here with Valley, Father Dippo himself. Valiant with Mad Out. Some music video, Mad Out. Let's jump in one and hear where the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Let's go. Mad Out.
Fucking idiot.
I cause boy that I going there, sir. I cause yes.
Fucking.
Yo, this one already. So hold on. Cause this, sir. That I cause. And that over there, sir, that fat skull.
Fucking idiot.
Idiot.
Stupid fucking boy.
Stupid boy.
Dunce fucking fool.
Yeah, the G them act mad and bad.
Rassak. Mad you and my dog.
Hey! Move out my way. Me I'm mad for my day.
Mad.
Hey! Move out my way.
Now.
Me I'm mad for my day.
Tap that song again.
Yo, big up the creativity. Big up the video, the team behind the scene where make all this thing happen. The ideas of the person. I don't know if it's Valiant or somebody from Valiant team of this idea, but yeah, big up the production team, man. This is funny as hell, bro.
Fucking
Mad Out.
idiot.
Boss and straight jacket.
Stupid fucking boy.
Stupid boy.
Dunce fucking fool. Rassak. Mad you and my dog.
Hey! Move out my way. Me I'm mad for my day.
Mad.
Hey! Move out my way.
Now.
Me I'm mad for my day.
Frank White, I'm mad, me, I'm mad out.
Mad.
I'm mad, me, I'm mad out. Girl, I get fucked and I run out of the mad house.
Why I'm mailing the man them a mad out? Look for the woman them. I just one woman me see a mad out. Why I just the man them a mad out?
Now.
Me I'm mad for my day.
Frank White, I'm mad, me, I'm mad out.
Frank White, big up.
I'm mad, me, I'm mad out. Girl,
Yeah.
I get fucked and I run out of the mad house.
Yeah.
I'm mad, me, I'm mad out. Hold my cup, you know, see be a girl at that short. A girl I been a back a hole, I get stabbed out. All of my money get fucking on my account. I wish.
All I want to get fucked. Guess what? False for them. What 21? Say yes, straight to mad hospital. Them I go pay. Right up on the mad ward. Them I go.
I'm mad, me, I'm mad out. Hold my cup, you know, see be a girl at that short. A girl I been a back a hole, I get stabbed out. All of my money get fucking on my account. I wish big man that get knocked out.
Hey,
Move out my way. Me I'm mad for my day.
Move.
Move out my way. Me I'm mad for my day.
I know your body big, so me say she come from Kingston. Girl wine down syndrome. Up on her head top, she gone when she drink rum. Dance,
Head
back
top.
it up on my Burberry shots. I'm a foot enough girl and break every yard. Put money in her jar, she shake up her heart.
Mad out. It's funny as fuck. No, I never. Big up. See me records. Big up.
Fucking boy.
This bad.
Dunce
Hey.
fucking fool.
I'll be a laughing dog. Sorry.
Mad you and my dog.
Hey! Move out my way. Me I'm mad for my day.
Mad.
Hey!
Move.
Move out my way.
Now.
Me I'm mad for my day.
Yo, me can see this in a certain dance. I get like when this played, the whole crowd I get mad and I go on with me band this. Like me can see that song you do that.
Move out my way.
Now.
Me I'm mad for my day.
Frank White, I'm mad, me, I'm mad out.
Mad.
I'm at me and my dot. Girl I get fucked and I run out of the madhouse.
Where I go?
I'm at me and my dot. Hold my cup in the see be a girl at that short. A girl I been a back a hole I get stabbed out. All of my money get fucking on me account. I wish big man that get knocked out.
Blood clot. Come with the
Move out
nigga.
my way.
Slow them down.
Me I'm mad from my day.
You see the medical personnel with the nigga a while ago for slow down somebody.
Move out my way. Me I'm mad from my day.
Move.
Slow down. Everybody chatter.
Move out my way. Me I'm mad from my day.
I know your body big.
Yo, when the woman turn up in the nigga, everybody scattered the blood clot. Then the mother know what it is for. They're the mad. Them know exactly what this is for. Brother, Kufias. Yo.
Move out my way. Me I'm mad from my day.
I know your body big so me say she come from Kingston. Gal wine down syndrome. Up on her head top she gone when she drink rum. Dance. Back it up on my Burberry shots. I'm a foot enough gal and break every yard. Put money in her jaws if she shake up her ass. Gal just shake up her ass. I'm a boss in her mouth. How the fuck she talk?
Move out my way. Me I'm mad from my day.
That's nigga Pancos boy. Jesus Christ, they'll get you.
Move out my way. Me I'm mad from my day.
See money, yeah. See the body, yeah. Turn your banner back as have money in my hand. Love it when you suck it and you sit in my jan. A dark shit, she could have done me so well too. She full of video, she nasty, she terrible.
She full of video too, she not. Yo, sorry, I'm not breaking down the lyrics. There's not much lyrics in this song, but it catchy. The music video just funny as hell.
She could have done me so well too. She full of video, she nasty, she terrible.
Freak.
My tell her, say she terrible. Yo, I'ma show you, say she terrible.
Yo, big up them youth, dog. Them play them part. Bumbleclot. Blood, you don't chop off of that a while ago. Look at the zinc. Look there. Yo. Yeah. Struggling with the challenges. Okay, so I'm put a disclaimer out there. Yo. Yo, big up cause, big up Fat Skull, big up Valley himself too cause him play a mad role. Yo, this I gonna be an anthem in enough party, brother, with enough people I gonna be doing this mad out thing. Like them I do anything, pick up on a table and just walk up on the street and somebody. Yo, creativity in this video, bro. The creativity in this video. Big up the creation team behind this video. I said it from the start because I know it's gonna be crazy. You know, anything with Valiant touch right now a problem. So big up. It's just a next one. It's just Valiant being Valiant. Versatility, creativity, style, flow, melody, voice, you know, everything. Full package, Valley. Big up yourself. And great performance from Reggae Sumfest also, Valley. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up the cast. Big up the cast. You can't forget the cast, bro. Big up Fat Skull. And big up 𝐑𝐂𝐓. And big up the other youth them in the video. I don't know the name, but big up same way. Yo, this actually creative as fuck. This bad as fuck. Me like this. Me not tell no lie, dog. I'm there laughing. Yo, the man said, move up my way, me a mad smaddy. The part we get me though is when 𝐑𝐂𝐓 boy asleep and the nurse pull up on 𝐑𝐂𝐓 and 𝐑𝐂𝐓 never know say the nurse did the dog. And that's the problem. Yo, big up the production team behind that. This is very, very, very creative, Valley. Like me say, anything you touch, a problem. the fans them appreciate it. Me know so the fans them are gonna love this. Wally is just having fun with the music now, and it's good to see. It's good to see, you know. Him gone corporate, but him still a do thing on the carpet. Yeah. Anyway, this is I'm gonna do on still. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, man, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.